When we predict the future of anything, it may look outdated in retrospect. As Novak said, you can't predict the one in the next generation based on the current generation. History has demonstrated that in the past, nobody anticipated motion control technology or any other current developments. And in this video, we will predict what the future of gaming holds for us and the upcoming generations. Live service games will be everywhere. We'll see games with regularly updated and seasonal content in the future. Witten expects that in the future, all games will be live. They're live experiences launched by the creator, but created equally as much by the community using it and evolving. However, the trend, which alters design and affects players' interaction with the games and perception of time, will become popular in the next 10 years. Augmented reality. If you're familiar with Pokemon Go, then you probably have an idea of AR games. Since then, a lot has changed in AR gaming. We anticipate more thrilling and cutting-edge games that combine virtual and real world in 2023. The uses for augmented reality technology are virtually limitless. And with virtual scavenger hunts and interactive board games, AR gives users a fresh perspective on other realms. Other augmented reality games may incorporate commonplace items like furniture or coffee cups into the game, or they may go and change the player's surroundings into a fanciful realm with magical creatures and even secret prizes to find. Additionally, players can cooperate in puzzle games and challenges in the real world. AR has developed Instagram filter games, which are gaining popularity in social media. They not only provide entertainment, but also connect people all around the world. We expect to see many more developers exploring technology as it develops. Additionally, we may see more games that use various aspects of augmented and virtual reality. So this year, look for additional AR-enabled events, games, and even applications. Virtual reality. Game developers utilize virtual reality to achieve complete immersion. It's the closest you can get to living vicariously in a virtual environment. Although virtual reality gaming has been rising for a while, it hasn't really taken off swiftly as one might think. Several issues are at play, but the primary issue is that VR headsets are still somewhat pricey and require powerful machines. Even so, we anticipate that the AR and VR gaming development space will expand in 2023 as more developers produce titles tailored for these platforms. In addition, we can anticipate more developments in VR technology with even more realistic displays. Improved graphics, better and worse explosions. Now, according to Novak, enhanced physics simulations will make special effects like explosions more realistic and stunning in future years. You can play as a magician, strike a nearby town with lightning, and witness enormous buildings and towers instantly disintegrate into little more than a pile of bricks. It is a challenging technical achievement, but it may be feasible in the future. The CPU, not the GPU, frequently limits how well a game can be played, continues Novak, and it always tries to attempt more complex simulations. In the meantime, it's conceivable that gaming visuals will keep improving even after this time. According to Ledbetter, when the rendering capabilities advance, there will be more realism, faster frame rates, higher resolution, and even the ability to attract people, faces, and expressions. Rising popularity of mobile gaming. According to the Digital Australia 2020 research report by Interactive Games and Entertainment Association, IGEA, 70% of Australian gamers are using their phones for video gaming. So developers are going and making more games specifically for those mobile devices. This has increased the development of mobile gaming. Players can easily chat with each other, there's incredible graphics, more engaging gameplay, and more intricate storylines as the major factors that not only attract young gamers, but also provide an opportunity for senior gamers who may not have played video games before. However, there are still difficulties in creating mobile games because designers frequently create their titles to operate on the newest and the most potent gadgets, and that renders them unplayable on older or less powerful gadgets. We expect that game designers will address these concerns in 2023 and keep pushing those boundaries of gaming. Accessible gaming with cloud-based technology. The cost of gaming consoles or computers is eliminated when video game publishers employ cloud services to provide those games. Cloud gaming technology is anticipated to soar this year. Gamers can access their favorite games from any device, anytime, any place by adopting cloud-based technologies for gaming software. It might open up a completely new universe of online activities and games. The game is saved in the cloud, so there will be no need to download it onto your computer. You will only need an internet connection and a compatible gadget, like a smartphone or a tablet. As a result, Playing online games is easier than ever. Cloud gaming offers a faster, smoother experience with improved graphics and music, creating a more immersive gaming environment. GeForce Now, PlayStation Now, and Xbox Cloud Gaming are a few instances of this. More rivalry in the gaming industry has also resulted from expanding the cloud gaming business. These days, game developers are making games that are specifically made for cloud gaming. So, the future of gaming is cloud-based, and by 2023 and beyond, it will become way more common. Using artificial intelligence in game design. As AI reshapes different economic sectors, it is also beginning to influence the gaming sector. So when you play games in the future, expect to encounter AI-powered people and stories in video games. Game designers use AI algorithms to produce more immersive and interesting games for gamers. As a result of AI technology, game creators can produce more responsive, adaptive, and demanding games while requiring less manual labor overall. Additionally, developers employ generative AI to make non-player characters, the NPCs, respond realistically. The more players that interact with them gives them more human-like behaviors and dynamics. AI and machine learning make it simpler to create the gaming world and its surroundings. AI computer systems can analyze enormous amounts of data, enabling game designers to use procedural generation and virtual agents to build complex gaming environments. AI can also offer quality control and game testing to correct any potential flaws or issues in the game before it is released to the public. Machine learning algorithms assist gaming firms. This results in higher quality gaming experience for the players. Cross-platform gaming technology. As the name implies, cross-play games are playable on various platforms including PCs, consoles, tablets, Android phones, and iPhones. These captivating titles offer unparalleled entertainment that you can enjoy from multiple devices. In the past, cross-platform gaming was restricted to a few games, such as Final Fantasy XI and King of Glory. Emerging business model in games. New business models are starting to appear in the video game industry in 2023, altering how games are developed, promoted, and made profitable. The free-to-play business model is well known in the gaming industry. Some of these games, which normally offer a free base edition with additional material available for purchase, have undoubtedly already come across you. Gaming as a service is a business model gaining traction in the video gaming industry. It provides a subscription-based approach so players can access all of the game's content for a single cheap cost. Additionally, it's becoming increasingly common for game producers to provide extra microtransactions to support the games. Another is play to earn, where users can make money in the real world by competing in and succeeding at in-game activities. This business model is particularly well liked in mobile games, where players can acquire rewards by doing missions or making progress. Metaverse Gaming. Last but not least is Metaverse Gaming, which is still rare right now. Everyone on the network will get a personalized avatar to interact with others and make connections beyond the screen. In the Metaverse, you can play games against AIs and other players, and users can also invite their friends to play with them. Roblox Room and Minecraft developers have developed functionality for their games to use the Metaverse architecture. These days, every game creates a separate Metaverse to be accessed via the internet, but soon there will be a single one connecting all of them. The graphics of the game are dependent entirely on the creators. Games might be traditional centralized Metaverse, where they operate on a single centralized framework instead of integrating blockchains. These virtual worlds store data of every user, like Roblox, Minecraft, and Fortnite. They can be centralized blockchain metaverse. Users can use NFTs and other digital assets to create and exchange individual economies. Earth 2 and the virtual world are two prime examples that Meta strives to develop. And finally, decentralized blockchain metaverse. The decentralized platforms work to create a dynamic community having equal power balance. Their philosophy is play to earn, giving their users an economic and governing power. Examples include Infinity and Decentraland. Are you looking forward to new gaming tech? Let us know down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting Galore Tech's videos. New videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.